guys. How are we doing? He doesn't know what it is. That's why. Agua, agua. Agua.
Guys, now it's Saturday, but we're cleaning now. We're cleaning. You see, guys, this is the t-shirts I wear when I came from Samoa. Look, it's pretty small. It's can't fit the button. Look the arms. It's going up. Pretty small, and it's, you see it? Now we're just cleaning now, guys. It's raining. Look, it's raining outside. But we're cleaning now, guys. Look at our mess.
Good evening, guys, and welcome back, SB Squad. So Siaosi is enjoying watching me dance here. Alright, guys, my name's Siaosi. My name's Siaosi, guys. Malo, guys. Oopsie. What's your face sounding again? Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, that's how you say it, honey. That's how you talk. Malo, guys. Yeah. We just finished outside. Alright, guys. My hair is everywhere. But Siaosi and I were meant to go for a walk, and he just went to sleep. Yes, you slept for like 2 hours, and I've been on the phone. I've been on the phone for like almost 2 hours trying to connect our dang internet. Internet. I'm working tomorrow. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. So Siaosi made me breakfast before I duck off to work. Not the healthiest, but whatever. Guys, I want you to watch Siaosi's thingy. Look at this hand.
Hello guys, just come back from dropping my wife at work, but I'm going home, clean the house, and maybe I'm going gym. Yeah, I'm gonna miss her so much because it's Saturday, must be stay home dude, but she's going work. Never mind, but I'm going home now. Gonna have cleaning today, cleaning old house, yeah, and then I'm going to the gym. Hello guys, now just cleaning the house, sweeping and mop. Yeah, just clean everything nice and clean. This Saturday I'm just clean by. Ooh la la, siamo la fifia e vai la musica. After sweep, I'm gonna mop. Because it's dirty to make it shiny. Hello guys, I've just finished cleaning and now get ready for the day. I'm finished shower, get ready for the day. I'm going to pick up my wife from work and meet the work friends. Yeah. Why she want me to meet their work friends? No. You know me? I don't want to see anyone of your work friends because all that boys, all the Balangi boys, no. I don't like it. No, just joking. I'm going to meet their friends, work friends, and have some lunch there. Hello guys, now I'm here at the city. I'm going to have fun, I'm going to have a walk here in the city. Everyone's looking at me going to the city and have for a walk, waiting for my wife until she finished. Now going say sorry what kau langgar, say sorry kasih kau di city levar dek kau savat. Yeah boy.
What is up guys? We are at my brother's house. We came here for a barbecue. So Ingrid has cooked us some nice yummy salads. That's got egg, potato, bacon, coleslaw, pasta, mushroom, eggs, bacon, and I think a Greek one at the end there with some corn. The boys have just started cooking on the barbecue. And I am fuming because Tonga won that game. They were robbed. If you believe it, hashtag down below, Tonga was robbed. Have you guys met my dogs? Hi Nala. Well, they're my brothers, but I call them mine. Hi Eugene.
Yeah. And a barbecue.
I invited myself. Hi everyone, so we just finished church, getting ready for baby Ethan's birthday. And look at Eddie, Weddy baby. Hi Eddie. Look at Siaosi. Woo! I'm a millionaire. Hi guys, we're at Ethan's birthday now. That's the setup. It looks so beautiful.
You're saying.
It's so beautiful. Hi guys.
Hi guys. My name is Ethan.
It's not Ethan.
Hi guys. My name is Ethan. This is my birthday. You wanna enjoy my birthday? Just come down the road.
This is like it's like jollof rice, but with no chili. It's got prawns in it. This is jollof rice, very popular in the African culture, and it's very, very, very chilly. Trust me, you don't want to taste the Nigerians' chili. This is bean cake. I guess it's just like mashed beans together. Bean cake, they call it. Chicken, my mom's potato. What's this?
Like yam.
Like yam?
It's like yam.
Okay, and this one?
This is a soup.
A soup? Like a stew?
Yes.
What's in it?
It's got goat meat, it's got veggies, it's got melon seed.
What about fish?
Yeah, it's got fish.
This one's cool.
This one is like a flour, like the yam that we showed you before. It's like fufu.
Yeah.
Fufu. Hola.
The other person's, okay? Not pushing. If there is pushing again, then we will let it go. Right? Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Hands to yourself. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Really, nigga?
Come on!
So competitive Siaosi. Le ma I foi ka mai kel mok.
Ya ro lam ku ku apia. Yo wa ap ro lam. Da pi ro lam oi ku ma. Ke pi ku ala ya ku.